not an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs fail. They fail and fail and fail, but when they succeed, they usually succeed. So they have a great success. So they need to fail, because otherwise they will not be able to be entrepreneurs. But if you live in a society that says, okay, you fail, and then they put the stigma, you're a failure, so how do you actually encourage entrepreneurship? So this is a question, and I think that in Israel we have been dealing with that and have been dealing with. So I can say that in recent years, the whole world have been dealing with the economic meltdown, global meltdown, economic problems and others. And I see as a Consul General here more and more Israelis that want to come to India, want to invest in India, want to find partners here, want to work in India. And I was trying to look, many times I'm trying to find the similarities. And I often say that, you know, since we came here, people sometimes ask me, can you describe the Israelis? And I always say, you know, if I need to choose a few words, entrepreneurial spirit, very innovative, and very creative. And then people told me that, no, please, we were asking about Israel, it's not about Indians. And I think that these words can basically really also relate to India. And I would add another word to all of us, to Israelis and to Indians. We have this spirit. We have the spirit. We want to succeed. We want to take things further. We have this energy. We don't sit like, you know, complacently and wait for things to happen. We actually do it very actively. So we have very young diplomatic relations. This year we celebrate the 20th anniversary. It's very, very young. And still it grew, even if you look at numbers, from $200 million in 1992 to over $5 billion today. And I believe that this is only the beginning. This is only the beginning, and the sky's the limit. The question is if we are going to be able to be smart enough to take it to the next level. I'm sure we will, because the potential is there, the synergy is definitely there. And that's it. We are here at the consulate. If there is anything we can do for you, any way that we can assist, any ideas that you have and you want to share with us, we'll be able to. We are here for you. And that's it. It's been too long, and I'm sure that you want to hear our other speakers. So thank you very much, and enjoy the evening.